everyone, this is Dr. Katie from ScribeNote, and today I'm going to walk you through Teams mode on the desktop app, which is Draggy-Droppy. So if you haven't already, please download Draggy-Droppy from our main website. You just have to type www.scribenote.com, scroll all the way to the bottom. In the bottom right hand corner, you'll see a little place where you can click desktop app and then download it based on your computer type. So we know that once we press submit on our medical record, our notes will end up in this outbox, the same as our ready to export tab in the expanded inbox. So right now I have nothing in my outbox, but I can search for my team members that may have notes that haven't been fully transferred into their practice management software. And if I was a staff member who is doing this, I can click this team member drop down and then select the team member, and I can see all of the notes that still need to be transferred. If I want to specifically search for a different type of template, I can select a different type of template and then pull up all types of that template for that different team member. I hope that helps.